Congress earlier sought lower compensation for farmers but now wants a hike in the proposal. Now, Prithviraj Chavan tells Times Now that it was the government's viewpoint then. As the Chief Minister, we thought that the decision would benefit the people. It is not double-speak. In fact, this reaction comes in from Prithviraj Chavan after Times Now first broke the story that Prithviraj Chavan had written to the then Rural Development Minister Jairam Ramesh that the entire land ordinance compensation package for farmers was completely impractical and would make all government projects unviable. Kashif Khusro joins me on the phone line. Kashif, can you tell us what Prithviraj Chavan's stand is now that his letter has come to light that he had in the first place objected to the kind of compensation that was being offered to the farmers?
Well, Navika, in response to our exclusive news break, Prithviraj Chavan, former Chief Minister of Maharashtra, reacted. It was a very brief reaction. In fact, when I spoke to him on the phone, he said that, yes, indeed, he had written the letter in 2011. And at that time, that was the viewpoint of the government, that the government thought that, that this kind of compensation for the people was quite less and it would be disastrous. And he said that now the viewpoint of the party and the opposition might have changed. But that does not mean that at that point it was different. So he says as a CM, he thought that it was beneficial for the people, and that is why he wrote the letter to the Environment Minister. So that is what he's saying at this moment, though an official reaction on camera is expected from Prithviraj Chavan very soon now.